Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I warmly welcome all of you to Science Champion. In this video, we will discuss the most important topics regarding electricity, the type of electric circuit. We have various types of electric circuits like simple circuit, series circuit, and the parallel circuit. In the previous video, we have discussed about the simple circuit and its components. Now we will learn what is the series circuit and what is the parallel circuit. In a series circuit, electrons only have one path to flow through. But in a parallel circuit, there are multiple paths for the current to flow through. As you can see in this picture, there is a single loop, there is single path for the electrons to move, and the same electrons will move through each and every bulb. On the right hand side, you can see there are many paths because the bulbs are arranged parallel to each other. In a series circuit, failure of a single component can disable all components in the circuit because it has only one path. Whereas in a parallel circuit, failure of one component will still allow other components to operate because in parallel circuit, there are many paths for the flow of electrons. This is the difference between the series circuit and the parallel circuit. In the series circuit, the same amount of current, that is the flow of electrons, passes through all the components. Whereas in parallel one, the current flowing through each component combines to form the current flow through the source. Because it has many paths, so the current is divided. But in series, as it has only one loop, it has only one path, so the same amount of current flows through all the components. In series circuit, in an electrical circuit, components are arranged in a line. As the name is indicating you, they are present in series. They are arranged in series. They are connected in series. But in parallel circuit, components are arranged parallel with each other. Hence, the circuit is named as parallel circuit. In series circuit, when resistors are put, the voltage across each resistor is different, even though the current flow is the same through all of them. And in series circuit, the resistance is always high. In parallel circuit, when resistors are put, the voltage across each of the resistor is the same and even the polarities are the same. In series circuit, if one component breaks down, the whole circuit will burn out because it has only one path. When that path is broken down, so there will be no other path for the electrons to flow, and hence the whole circuit will burn out. But in parallel one, other components will function even if one component breaks down. Each has its own independent circuit, that is, each has its own independent path. In series circuit, the total voltage is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. But in parallel circuit, the voltage is not divided. It is same throughout the circuit. So in series circuit is a voltage divider, but parallel circuit is not a voltage divider. In parallel circuits, the voltage remains same. If we talk about series and parallel circuit in terms of current, potential difference, and resistance, so remember, same current flows through all series elements. But current splits up through the parallel branches because it has many ways, it has more than one path, it has more than one loop, so there are other paths for the electrons to flow, so the current splits up through the parallel branches. When we talk about the voltage, the potential difference, so voltage add to total circuit voltage because series circuit is a voltage divider. It divides the voltage among all the bulbs, all the electrical appliances that are present in the series. In parallel one, same voltage across all the parallel branches. When we talk about the resistance, So in series, adding resistance increases total resistance. The total resistance is the sum of all the resistors present in series. And resistance in parallel circuits, adding resistance reduces total resistance because they have more than one path. So resistance in parallel circuit is low, but in series circuit it is high. Here are some examples. String of Christmas lights connected in series, and power outlets in your house, they are connected in parallel. Here are the formulas to calculate the voltage, current and resistance in series and the parallel circuit. As the potential difference you can see over there, current and the resistance. When we talk about the voltage in series circuit, so this is the voltage divider. So V total is equals to V1 plus V2 and V3, but in parallel one it remains same. In series circuit it is a voltage divider but current remains same. But in parallel one, current is divided because it has many paths. Resistance, when all the resistors are arranged in series, so they provide more resistance. But in parallel, when the resistors are arranged parallel to each other, so they provide less resistance. If one component burns in a series circuit, current becomes inactive because it has only one loop. But if when one component burns in parallel circuit, so current stops only through that branch. Rest of the part will work fine. This is the Venn diagram in front of you to show the differences and the similarities between the series circuit and the parallel circuit. Remember one thing, in series circuit, as it is a voltage divider, so the bulbs light dimly because it has only one path. In parallel circuit, the bulbs light brightly. All the bulbs have same brightness. Similarity between both circuit is can have more than one bulb in a circuit. In series circuit, there is only one path for the electrons to travel, but in parallel, there are more than one path. When one bulb goes out, all bulbs go out in series circuit. In parallel, when one bulb goes out, other stays lit. There is a lot of resistance in these wires because in series, the resistance is the sum of resistance provided by all the resistors. But in parallel one, there is little resistance in this wire. Series circuit and the parallel circuit, there is the one wire because it has only one loop, it has only one path. If one thing breaks, all still work. Parallel one has more than one wire. Series circuits are cheaper to use because less components are needed over there, less number of wires are over there. All needs to be working to work one thing. All doesn't need to be working to work one thing. If one thing breaks in series circuit, all don't work. If battery is double, it lasts longer. If battery is double in the series, the electricity goes faster because you know it is a voltage divider. So voltage divides quickly. And in both the circuits, there is a switch, there is a battery, and it has a working device. You can easily learn it from this picture, the similarities and the differences between the series circuit and the parallel circuit. Hope you have learned a lot from this video. Thank you so much for watching this. Jazakallahu khaira. Take care.